Hello, my name is Liesel. Canva is a fantastic tool with so many choices from elements to fonts and so much more. However, you might find that your favorite font or specific brand font that you want to work with is not available in Canva. Not to worry, if you are on Canva Pro and have the font saved on your computer, you can quickly upload it to Canva and start creating with it right away. So if this is what you're looking for, come with me. There are two ways to upload your fonts. The first method is open any one of your designs, click on a text tab or add a text if you don't have text on your image as yet. Go to the font options, and when you go down to the left, you will see the option here to upload a font. Click on there. Find the font on your computer, open that, click on the font file and upload it. Remember that you always have to have permission to use that font for the purposes that you're going to use it. So not all fonts are free fonts, some do have licenses. So click yes, upload away. And now that font will be available automatically. So let's go check it out. And there it is. This is the first method. The second option will be via brand. So go to your left-hand side, click on brand. If you've already uploaded some brand information, it will be there. Otherwise, this will be blank, but it doesn't matter either way. So you can scroll down to fonts, add your brand fonts. If you've got a new font that you would like to upload, just click here on the plus and then you use the same method to upload the font. Also, if you scroll down, and you go here to manage uploaded fonts, you will also be able to see and manage the fonts that you've already uploaded. So let's click there. So here you can see some fonts that I've uploaded, and if you also want to now delete maybe one of the fonts, if you don't need it anymore, you can just do so on the right hand side. I hope you found this useful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you've got any questions, please leave a message down in the comments. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.